Next, I want to show you is manage sponsors. So in this case, because this is a new event, I don't have any sponsor yet. However, I can start doing another add another sponsor. So in this case, I'll just add myself, I guess, MRXPO, and I'll type my own email in. And I'll select the platinum level, and let's see what happens. Okay, so it says the invite has been sent. So here, your sponsor would get an invite to become a sponsor, so once I click on this link, the sponsor has a chance to look at this event just to see if it's not a spam, and then they can accept the invite. Okay, so upon accepting the invite, what happens is then, navigate back to this, is that if I go back and manage the sponsor, you can see that a sponsor has already accepted to become a sponsor, and this is your sponsor level. And you can also specify a boost number. So for boost number 1, that's the diamond sponsor, which is the big giant video screen facing the entrance. So I will update that sponsor level and boost number.